What does it take to build the ultimate combat vehicle? One that can brave the toughest terrains, shield soldiers from advanced threats, and support cutting-edge weaponry in the most hostile environments? For years, the HUMVEE stood as an iconic symbol of U.S. military strength. But now, a new contender has entered the stage, the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV. With advanced armor, unmatched mobility, and futuristic technology, this replacement is poised to redefine modern warfare. Let's dive deep into this groundbreaking development and its implications for combat operations. For over 30 years, the high-mobility multipurpose wheeled vehicle, HUMVEE, has been the workhorse of the U.S. military. From the deserts of the Middle East to the rugged terrains of Afghanistan, it has served in virtually every major conflict. Yet, as battlefield dynamics evolve, the HUMVEE has shown its age. It lacks the survivability against modern threats such as IEDs, improvised explosive devices, and its design no longer aligns with the demands of high-tech warfare. Enter the JLTV, a vehicle designed to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow. This next-generation tactical machine promises superior protection, mobility, and technological integration, setting a new standard for combat vehicles worldwide. Why replace the HUMVEE? The decision to replace the HUMVEE wasn't made lightly. Several factors highlighted the need for a new combat vehicle. 1. Evolving threats. Modern warfare has introduced increasingly dangerous threats, including roadside bombs, rocket-propelled grenades, and advanced anti-vehicle mines. The HUMVEE, with its thin armor, struggled to protect troops from these hazards. 2. Technological advancements. The HUMVEE's design, rooted in the 1980s, couldn't integrate modern technologies such as advanced communication systems and autonomous capabilities. 3. Operational demands. Troops required a vehicle with greater versatility, something that could perform in harsh climates, carry more equipment, and adapt to various missions without compromising safety. The JLTV, a modern marvel. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle isn't just a replacement. It's a leap forward in military vehicle design. Let's explore its key features in detail. 1. Unmatched protection. The JLTV's armored hull is a game-changer. It employs advanced materials and engineering techniques to offer protection against IEDs and landmines, small arms fire and rocket-propelled grenades, chemical and biological threats, with optional kits for specific missions. Its V-shaped hull design deflects explosions away from the vehicle, drastically increasing survivability for its occupants. 2. All-terrain dominance. The JLTV's state-of-the-art suspension system, known as TAK4i independent suspension, allows it to conquer virtually any terrain. It can climb steep gradients, cross rivers, and operate in extreme weather conditions, whether it's the scorching heat of deserts or the icy landscapes of mountain regions. 3. Blazing speed and agility. Unlike the HUMVEE, the JLTV can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour on roads, and it doesn't sacrifice off-road performance. This speed enables rapid deployments and swift evasive maneuvers in combat zones. 4. Cutting-edge technology. The JLTV is essentially a high-tech fortress on wheels featuring 1. Touchscreen command centers. Troops can access GPS, battlefield maps, and live mission updates in real time. 2. AI-driven diagnostics. The vehicle can monitor its own systems, predict maintenance needs, and minimize downtime. 3. Remote weapon systems. Operators can control mounted weapons from inside the vehicle, reducing exposure to enemy fire. 4. Autonomous capabilities. In certain missions, the JLTV can operate with minimal human intervention, paving the way for the future of automated warfare. 5. Mission flexibility. The JLTV comes in multiple variants, tailored to specific operational needs, such as troop transport, reconnaissance and surveillance, anti-tank and heavy weaponry deployment. This modular design ensures that the vehicle can adapt to a wide range of scenarios, making it invaluable on the battlefield. Before being deployed, the JLTV underwent extensive testing to prove its capabilities. 1. Explosive resilience. The vehicle was subjected to simulated minefields and direct explosive impacts to evaluate its survivability. 2. Terrain mastery. It navigated challenging environments, including deserts, swamps, and rocky mountain passes, demonstrating its versatility. 3. Live fire scenarios. Troops tested its weapon systems and armor under realistic combat conditions, ensuring it could handle enemy fire. The feedback from soldiers involved in these tests was overwhelmingly positive. They praised its spacious interior, which allowed for more gear storage, and its smoother ride, which reduced fatigue during long missions. Cost versus benefit. Is the investment worth it? Replacing the HUMVE is no small feat. The JLTV program is expected to cost billions of dollars, with each unit priced between $350,000 and $400,000. However, military officials argue that the benefits far outweigh the costs. 1. Saving lives. The enhanced protection reduces casualties, which is priceless in any conflict. 2. Increased efficiency. With fewer breakdowns and better performance, the JLTV can sustain longer missions without frequent repairs. 3. Force multiplier. Its advanced technology allows troops to accomplish more with fewer resources, enhancing overall military effectiveness. 4. Global comparisons, setting the benchmark. While other countries are also upgrading their tactical vehicles, the JLTV stands out for its balance of protection, performance, and cutting-edge technology. 5. Russia's boomerang. Heavily armored but less agile compared to the JLTV. China's Dongfeng Mengshi. Advanced in its own right, but lacks the modular design and AI-driven features of the JLTV. The JLTV sets a new standard, making it not just a replacement for the HUMVE, but a global benchmark for modern military vehicles. The rollout of the JLTV marks a new era in U.S. military operations. However, challenges remain. 1. Logistics. Transitioning from HUMVEs to JLTVs across global bases will take time and resources. 2. Maintenance training. Troops and technicians must adapt to the new systems and technologies integrated into the JLTV. Despite these hurdles, the JLTV is already proving to be a transformative addition to the U.S. military arsenal. The HUMVE has undoubtedly earned its place as a legendary vehicle in military history. It served faithfully for decades, weathering countless challenges on battlefields across the globe. Its rugged design, versatility, and durability made it an icon, not only within the U.S. military, but also in popular culture. Yet, as warfare evolves, so must the tools of battle. The modern battlefield is a far cry from the conflicts of the 1980s when the HUMVE was introduced. Today's threats are more dynamic, unpredictable, and deadly, demanding innovation that goes beyond the capabilities of yesteryear. This is where the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV, shines as a transformative leap forward. It's not just a replacement for the HUMVE, it's a reimagining of what a combat vehicle can and should be. The JLTV embodies the demands of modern warfare: survivability, mobility, and adaptability, all powered by cutting-edge technology. With its advanced armor, it offers unparalleled protection against roadside bombs and enemy fire. Its state-of-the-art suspension and powerful engine make it capable of navigating the harshest terrains with ease. And its integration of AI-driven diagnostics, remote-controlled weapon systems, and autonomous capabilities makes it a technological marvel built for the future. But the JLTV is more than just a combat vehicle. It's a strategic tool, a shield to protect troops, a weapon to dominate battlefields, and a platform to integrate the most advanced military technologies. It represents the U.S. military's commitment to staying ahead of adversaries, ensuring the safety of its soldiers, and enhancing the effectiveness of its operations. It is designed not only to withstand the tests of today, but also to evolve and adapt to the challenges of tomorrow. Yet, with every new innovation come questions. Will the JLTV live up to the HUMVE's legendary legacy? Will it prove to be the solution the military needs, or will it face unforeseen challenges in the harsh realities of war? Only time will tell. What's clear, however, is that the JLTV marks a bold step into the future, setting a new standard for tactical vehicles worldwide. So, what do you think of the JLTV? Can it rise to the occasion and become the next icon of the battlefield? Or will the demands of modern warfare push it beyond its limits? Share your thoughts on this cutting-edge combat vehicle and whether you think it will redefine military operations or face its own set of challenges. Let the discussion begin.